All right, I went and bought her a new porch light. She wanted a farmhouse look top deal or something, but so I got her this porch light. I don't know if you can see it real good, but nice little porch light. I'm going to be pressure washing it and painting the roof, painting the whole thing, have it all look good here next month. So everything is pretty bright in here, but we need another light. So I got my electrician going, and he's going to hang this light right here. I'm going to put some Edison bulbs in it, in this whole area here, and it'll brighten this whole area here up. And I'm going to put brighter lights in this thing, this ceiling fan, and it'll brighten all this up with all the windows, and then we'll be good after that. So, yeah, it's just, and I just bought a brand new heater for $120, and I'll be daggone if the heater quit working. It worked for like 10 minutes and then quit working. So I'm going to take it over here and see if I can plug it up one more time. But, yeah, this is going to be a nice little place. Give it about 4 or 5 days, and I'll show you guys again how it looks. And like I said, look, the heater ain't coming on at all. I don't know what's going on with it, but thank you for watching the videos and everything, and I'll show you the loft. Man, that's a big loft, and it's like that on the other side. Look at all that room over there. That's my storage. This is hers, and that's but anyway, God bless America.